Namaste viewers, welcome to Sunita's Kitchen Stories. This week is dedicated to Vinayaka Chaturthi. Today I am going to prepare modak, that is sweet and hot modak. Ingredients for this are, for khara modaks, that is hot modaks, 1 bowl of soaked chana dal. I have taken the chana dal, that is kadle purpu or kadle bele, and soaked it for half an hour. Then 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, green chilies according to taste, salt, and for sweet modak 1 cup of grated coconut, 3/4 cup of jaggery. You can take half to 3/4 cup. Minimum half cup is required and maximum 1 cup you can have. For medium sweet 3/4 cup is enough. Ilachi powder, ghee, and this rice flour is common to both. Required amount of water, idli vessel for steaming, mixie to grinding the chana dal and green chilies. Now we will take required amount of green chilies, we will add chana dal to it, grind it into a coarse paste. Meanwhile, we will prepare the rice flour mixture for the modak stuffing. Switch on the stove, take a thick bottom kadai and we will add water to it. I have measured rice flour in this bowl. So I will take for 1 cup bowl of rice flour, 1 bowl of water is enough. Now add little bit of salt to it and a spoon of ghee so that the rice flour will not become lump. For preparing modak, 1:1 water is enough. Now water is boiling, we will add the rice flour to it. Before that, sim down the flame and add the rice flour to it. Let it boil for 2 to 3 seconds. Then we will mix it thoroughly. Now it's ready. You mix it thoroughly. Then let it cool properly. Let it cool. Now I have grinded the chana dal to a coarse paste. This is ready. We will add freshly grated coconut and salt before stuffing it into the rice mixture. Now switch on the stove. Take a pan. We will prepare the sweet stuffing for it. Add coconut, 1 cup of coconut, freshly grated coconut. And to do this itself, we will add 3/4 cup of jaggery. Mix it thoroughly. Now the coconut and jaggery together have leave the water. We will fry until it will get to a thick consistency. Now it is almost done. At this stage we will add the ilachi powder and mix it thoroughly. Once you add the jaggery and coconut to the heat pan, it will start leaving its water. You fry until it will become this consistency so that it will be easy to stuff in the rice flour mixture. This is done. Let it cool. Now this rice flour is ready. Knead this dough thoroughly. Apply some oil or ghee on your hands and knead it thoroughly. It should not stick to your hands. That will be the perfect consistency. Apply some oil or ghee. Knead it thoroughly. Then we will prepare the modaks. See, it's not sticking to the hands. This is the perfect consistency for the modak dough. Now we will start preparing the modak, sweet and khara modak. For this khara modak, we will take the grinded Bengal gram in a bowl. To this itself we will add freshly grated coconut. You can add a desired amount of coconut to it and salt according to taste. We will mix it thoroughly. By the time we prepare the modaks, we will switch on the stove and keep the idli vessel and add water. Let it get heated. Grease the idli plate with ghee or oil. Grease it thoroughly. Keep it aside. Then we will start the preparation of modak. Modak, see, first you press the corners like this. In middle part also you start pressing simultaneously. Like this, so that it will become a cup type shape. Now fill the stuffing. First I am filling the sweet stuffing. Then start sealing the edges like this. Like this first. Then you seal these edges like this. Now you seal it finally like this. I will show one more. Apply some ghee or oil on the fingers. Start pressing the sides of this dough. First you flatten these sides. After one round of flattening, you start pressing the middle portion, so that it will take the shape of the cup. Then easy to stuff the sweet like this. Apply ghee or oil in the process so that the dough won't stick to the fingers. See, it will be like cup. Easy to fill the modak. Going to fill the sweet. Then same procedure. First seal like this. Then here also you seal. Then bring it all the sealed portion in the middle. Finally get the perfect shape of the modak. Like this you continue. For this khara modak stuffing, you prepare it as a plate, just to differentiate the khara and sweet one. If you prepare the same design, you will get confused which one is khara and which one is sweet. So you prepare it as in a plate shape, that is flattened shape like this. Then take a portion of this khara stuffing, that is chana dal stuffing, keep it in the middle in the cylindrical shape. Then start sealing the edges like this. See, like this. So you can easily differentiate the modak. This shape one will be khara one and the round shape modak will be sweet one. Continue with the other this thing. I will show another one also. Just flatten this, apply some ghee or oil on the fingers and then just flatten it like a plate. Like this. Don't do very thin, the stuffing will come out. It should be little thick only. Now at this stage, add some chana dal mixture, that is khara modak stuffing. Then start sealing from the edges like this. You press it. That's it. We will steam and show. I have kept the modaks for steaming. We will cover it with a lid and steam it for 12 to 15 minutes. The modaks will be ready. Now the modaks are ready. Here I want to remind one thing. For preparing the modak, if you buy the rice flour from the store, ready-made flour, it will be okay. If you want to prepare in the house, you have to soak the rice for 1 hour, strain it, then dry it under the fan thoroughly, then powder it and prepare the modaks. So now the modaks are ready for the Ganesha Chaturthi. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Story. Thank you. Wish you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Thank you.